How to add a payment method on Roblox. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a credit card or a payment method on your Roblox. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you land on your homepage, you just have to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you'll land on the homepage. So all you have to do here is tap on the More option on the bottom right corner. It will take you to your settings menu. So all you have to do now is head over to your settings. Scroll down and just tap on settings. And from here, you'll have different options. Now, just tap on the payment methods, and here you can easily add your credit card. So on your payment method, choose what kind of payment method you want. And then from here, if you don't have any payment method, you can just add a new one here while making a purchase. So for example, if you try to take any subscription or Robux, then in that case, you will have to add your credit card. So just tap here. Now, if you want to buy something, just tap on this and then you will have to add your credit card. So here you will just have to add your card details and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.